What is up, champs? Today I'm gonna teach you how to get high ticket clients on Instagram fast. That works in 2020. And before we begin, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification bell so you don't miss out on upcoming value bombs that I'll prepare for you. So let's get started. You open up your Instagram. You make sure that you set it up properly. You want to put here your profile picture that grabs attention, right? Like check out mine, these lasers in my eyes, that grabs attention, right? So this is you upload some catching a profile photo, and then here you put short and sweet call to action and your link. So for example, I have join our 30-day challenge to get high ticket clients for your business in just 30 days, right? It's like most people are struggling for years before they get clients. So this is appealing for them. They can get clients in just 30 days, and here they can apply. They click the link and it takes them to my page where they can schedule a free call with me. Right? And after you set up your profile, you want to also add some videos or pictures that are relevant to your niche and what you are trying to do. And then when your Instagram is set up, then you can start reaching out to people. So for example, you want to do digital marketing for dentists. So you put here a hashtag and your keyword. So for example, dentist, and search for dentist. And here you press accounts, and now you can basically, I would reach out to all these dentists if they are in my niche. So let's take these dentists as an example. You want to make sure that so here is the step-by-step process. You make sure that you like the work of the dentist that you're trying to reach out to, because remember, these people get contacted by hundreds of marketers and they get hundreds of emails, messages every single week. So you have to stand out. So I would like at least 3 pictures on that Instagram news feed. And then I would also comment on the picture, because that's, like, hey doc, I really love your work. Check your DM, right? Check your DM. And you can also tag that dentist, right? So I'm not going to post that because this is not my niche, but you get the example. And then when you leave that message, check your DM, that doctor is more likely to check the DM from you. And then you also want to direct message that doctor. And you also want to start by writing, if you can find name, that's perfect when you start. So this woman here doesn't seem like she has a name. So let's check some other example here. So Dr. Lewis, right? So you open it up and you start, hey Lewis. You make sure that it looks like you are talking to a friend. Hey Lewis, I love your work. I love your work. I love your work. How are you doing? You try to engage in the conversation, and when they respond, you want to because when people, you may ask them like what they are currently trying to do in their business, and when you care about people, they will generally care back and ask what you are trying to do. And that's when you can respond like you help dentists to grow, to 10x their business by using your powerful marketing strategies, right? And then you schedule a call with them. So it's simple as that. You should contact at least 30, 40 dentists a day. If this is your niche, you have to contact at least 30, 40 people a day if you want to see some results. So if you, because you may send 40 messages and only 20 people will reply to you, and from those 20 people you will schedule 1 to 2 calls. So that's how numbers works, right? So I would search this and I would reach out to all the people that I could find. I wouldn't be reaching out to these like kind of organizations or just general Instagram pages like blogs and this, but you can find profiles that have a picture of that dentist, and I would reach out to all of these daily. And that's how you will win. That's how you will get your first clients very soon. You can also, there is another trick that I can tell you. You can directly tell, for example, this Dr. Carson, hey doc, I love your work. I have prepared a free audit for you, how you can skyrocket your business by using my Facebook marketing strategies. So, and you don't want to prepare that audit before that dentist will reply to you, because you will waste lots of time. So you only people who are interested, only dentists who are interested in getting that audit, who actually tell you, who they will reply to you that they want that audit that can help their business, only for those people you will actually prepare this audit. You will check out their website, right? And you will make sure it's not a like general audit. It has to be optimized for that particular case, and then you send it over to people who are interested in it, so you don't waste your time. So hit like button if you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, and now check out other videos that will help you to sell, to close those people. When you schedule those appointments, there is a playlist. You can click it and it will take you to videos that will help you to grow your business. So I'll see you on another video.